Hello everyone, it's another day, another tutorial from White Creativity Studio. In this particular tutorial, I want to show you how you can design, how designer replicate background design using Gemini AI step-by-step guide. So how they're doing it. So I'll show you in this particular video. For the further ado, if for the first time you're coming across my video like this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start design. I do not want this video should be long. Let's create it. So this is I'm using Chrome browser for this particular tutorial. So next thing is this is the one of the background, one of the design that I want to replicate. So you can say this is the design. Honestly, you can see it. This is the design. So let's, and this is the prompt that I want to use. So I'll leave the prompt in description below of this video. Check the description, you will see the links so you can download the prompt so you can use it. So let's get to this. You can see in this we are already in Gemini. Add, just upload. You click on the plus like this, you click on the upload. You let it load like this. So you just locate the where you put the, so let me locate the where I put my design, which is this one like this. I've already named it replicate design to background. So let me use this particular background for the, in case of this tutorial. You can see it. So let me go back to my notes and let me copy this prompt like this. I will copy it, just copy it and paste it here like this. You can see it. You have helped me remove the text and the artist picture, leave the background alone. So the next thing to do here is just click submit. So Gemini will do the need for you. Just wait. So finally our result is already come out. You can see what Gemini gave us. So it's no matter. I think it's really tried. So next thing is you can remove the watermark in Photoshop. In Affinity, you can remove the watermark. So let's try it. I think you have done that part. Let's create. You have to create a new chapter because if you try another design again in this particular Gemini, it can give you another wrong result. So let's try it again. So let me bring another picture for the case of the videos. You see what I'm doing. Okay, let's use this particular one. Just submit here like this. You can see we already have this prompt. You can see it. In this particular one, I will not use the artist again. I will use the model, which is the model girl, model picture. Just check it very well. You know what you are doing. So next step, you just submit again. You let the Gemini to give us the final result. I think we will, okay, let it load first. You can see it removed everything, which is wow, this is amazing. So you can download it. So just wait, let it download it. It's already download. So don't worry, check about that one. You can see it. This is the design and this is the background. So you can see it. You can try it to all design. One thing I'll just tell you that just get your prompt right. Yeah, the prompt that I sent you You can, it's not, it cannot work to all design. So you know what you can, you just use your strategy, use your knowledge to what I'm talking about. Yeah. So the next step is to, let's try. I've already downloaded it. Let's try another one again. So I want to use just three design. So before I round up the tutorial, no, I don't want this tutorial to be long at all. So let me use this particular one again. You can see it. Let's go back to this again. Let's copy it. But in this particular prompt, we change it. You can see it. Help me remove the text and the couple. You know that is a multiple image on this frame. So you write couples, you put X. You can see it. Help me remove the text and the couple's picture, leave the background alone, which is fine for us. We'll just submit again. So we'll just wait. Let's wait for the final result. You can see it. But it's not matter. So you too, you can use your creativity. These are Gemini give us, so it's not matter. Let's download it like this. We already downloaded it, so let's view it in our file manager. This is it. That's it. This is it. This is what is good for me. You can see it. This is the second one. So this is how you can try it. You can try to remove all text and details in design, and you can get the background in Gemini. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you are the first time you come across my video like this, so welcome to White Creative Studio. And don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, don't forget to turn off the notification bell. You'll be the first person to notify when I upload an amazing educative video like this. So thank you very much. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.